everyone, give you a quick update on everything. I haven't got to do too much on the cars lately, just house being shit, and I've been busy getting the hoist. So also chuck some tin up over the termite stuff just for now, just to give me a bit more of a better workshop. So I've turned this into my dedicated workspace at the moment. And then in here is the main part of the video. So this is the hoist. So I've decided to go the 4-post. Mostly budget wise, it was cheap, fairly good price for it. Didn't have to go too stupid cutting out concrete, putting extra footings for the 2-poster. This slab was a 140 anyway, drilled it and tested it, so worked out pretty good. And this side was a 1/3, 120, and this side here is a 140. But being a 4-poster, I think she's going to be pretty good. So yeah, pretty excited. So this one here, it's a 4-poster with the scissor lift in the middle, so I can still do wheels and everything like that on it. Today I bolted it down with through nuts, I think they call them. Yeah, 16mm through nuts. And then I've got a box converter coming to change the power. So to change it into single phase, because this is 3-phase one. And then I've got to fill it with the hydraulic fluid, and then you should be on the go. So, and then on the ramps. So the ramps down here, I'm unsure yet. I might cut it here, there, and put a hinge on it. I've adjusted the door so the door shuts anyway, locks. The reason I've done this is just so I've got a bit more room in that walkway over there. If I've got to carry anything out of there or anything, it'll be a pain in the ass, because that's the only entrance that I've got. There you go. So it's the Commodore on the hoist now. My wheels sit off the edge a bit. It's because of the wide wheels, but other than that, I put this line here, so when I'm reversing back, I just sort of line my wheels up with that, and she runs pretty true. But yeah, pretty wrapped. Can't wait to get it powered up. So since now that we've got the hoist, should be good. We'll get onto that Camaro fix that starter motor. As you can see by the height of the hoist, so at the moment it'll sort of be, I've got to remove that light, but at the moment it'll sort of be just, I can shimmy around on a roller chair sort of thing underneath it, instead of standing under it. I've got to talk to a builder mate of mine, and he's going to give me some heads up on how to do the trusses a bit. I've done a little bit of it, but nah, I want to get professionals to time that's been in the trade years, so get his opinion on that. Other than that, we're moving forward. Hoist is in, and get on to all the rest of the cars now. Get that Camaro done. Got to start saving some money now since I bought the hoist, to carry on with the Camaro, get the seats and everything like that. But pretty wrapped. So yeah. So in this room, I am still probably planning to take this wall out, so it opens it right up to the shed. And yeah, and the room in there now is just a bit of crap in there, everything in there, but yeah, awesome. Well, wasn't a big video this time, so thanks for watching. I just thought I'd give an update on where I'm at. Still moving forward, just haven't played with the cars too much. So yeah, see Camara's still there. So I will move on to painting these wheels soon. I've got the 2-pack paint ready. I can show you actually colour I chose. So this is it here. So you can see that it's just slightly darker, but I think that's going to be good. And then I also got some colour match silver as well. I used this paint before. It's pretty good paint. So this is for the colour match, the black body kits and everything like that, because they're all crap and scratched and everything. Hopefully it's a good match. And obviously some clear coat and stuff there too. So, and then another job that I've got as well, now that I've got the hoist, is we'll put these in the Commodore. So it's just a little bit of bush noise in the front shocks. So we'll get on to that. So now the list grows. Once this thing's up and running, and the list is going to grow, and we'll keep moving forward. So I just want to say thank you everyone for supporting me. I'll start pumping some more videos. I'll try to get the 2 a week again, and we'll get back into it. Just giving my body a rest for a little bit, and then we'll full steam. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.